for you, Holiday. You want to play for blood?
Come, you huckleberry! That's just my game. Hey, Tom, moving.
Ah!
Billy, give me that gun.
Just take it, Wyatt. Take it and let me die.
Boys, I got Sheriff Behan on the way.
Right. Frank McClowry, dead. Tom McClowry, dead. 19-year-old Billy Clanton, dead. That was it. It was over before it ever started. Now, 2 months after this gunfight, Virgil Earp was ambushed outside the Crystal Palace Saloon. 3 shotguns went off, but he still refused to die. Crippled up pretty bad, Virgil wandered the West until death caught up with him in Nevada in 1905. Not as lucky was Wyatt's kid brother Morgan. He was shot in the back and killed playing a game of pool up on Allen Street. Morgan died at midnight, March 19, 1882. It was his brother Wyatt's birthday. Now in 1887, the year this whole town began to fall apart, the 2 main causes of this gunfight died hundreds of miles apart from each other. That summer, while starting a new gang up in northern Arizona, Ike Clanton was shot and killed by a mail-order detective. Not too long after that, after a lifetime of drinking, smoking, and, well, bad decisions, tuberculosis caught up with yours truly up in Colorado. I don't care to talk about it. Wyatt Earp was the last man standing out of all this. He'd spent his days traveling, making his way from Idaho to Alaska, finally ending up in Jazz Age Hollywood, searching for another tombstone and the chance to make things right again. Never would find it. When Wyatt died in Los Angeles in 1929, just ahead of his 81st birthday, his final words: suppose. That, folks, was our show. We hope